You, huh? Nice try, China. I went on this whole, listen. I think I wrote an essay, verbally. Who the fuck is this? Why would Albion have subbed for 25 months? Because some sick cunt gifts it. Vective7. Hey, first time viewer, Vective7. Hi. First time and last time. Hey, what's good? I won't dox you, but thanks for the Prime sub. Appreciate it. How the fuck all these same motherfuckers show up? What the fuck? Y'all come in here matching outfits, holding hands and shit? What's that about, huh? Are y'all ready to be fucking unchained? Ow. I think I blew my goddamn ribs out. Shut the fuck up. How dare you speak to me in this manner? How dare you? No, I know it is. Hey, motherfucker, I said don't dox him. That's not his name. That's not his name. Nice try, Havoc. Okay, listen. That's not him. That's not his name. Don't try. Okay? Anyway, new viewer Vective. I like that. Hey. Hey, what's up? Thanks for your Twitch Prime. You could have used it literally anywhere, including C9 Sneaky's channel. Could have gotten access to his Snapchat. But instead, you fucked up. And you spent it here. Feel free to take it back and instead use it on someone with at least 30 emotes. Yep, could have got 16 part. Hey, what the fuck?